Hey there, watch enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fascinating blend of vintage and modern watchmaking with the Timex 1976 Lexington Reissue. This watch is a real head-turner, offering a unique twist on a classic design. So, let's explore what makes this Timex creation so intriguing and why it's a must-have for any watch lover. First things first, the inspiration behind this watch is pretty cool. Timex has a knack for revisiting its archives and breathing new life into old designs. In this case, they've taken cues from a 1976 Timex model called the Cavatina. Now, the Cavatina was a hand-wound watch with a design that's remarkably similar to the Lexington Reissue. It's like Timex went back in time and said, hey, let's bring this beauty back. But what's truly fascinating is how Timex has managed to capture the essence of the iconic Cartier Tank while keeping the price tag incredibly affordable. The Lexington Reissue has a rectangular case that's 21 millimeters across and 35 millimeters long, giving it a sleek and elegant look. The stainless steel case is fully polished with a gold tone finish, adding a touch of luxury. And the crown, with its fluted edge, is a subtle nod to the Tank's design. Now, one of the most impressive aspects of this watch is its dial. It's silver-colored and vertically brushed, creating a visually stunning effect. The layout is a direct tribute to the Cavatina, with elongated Roman numeral indices and a black printed railroad minute track. It's like a time-traveling tribute to the past. But here's the catch. This watch is a quartz movement, not a mechanical one. That means no complicated gears and springs, just a simple, reliable movement. And the lack of a seconds hand is a clever trick to keep the cost down. After all, who really needs a seconds hand on a dress watch, right? Now let's talk about the strap. It's black leather with a stamped crocodile skin pattern. I know, faux croc skin straps can be hit or miss. But in this case, it actually looks pretty decent. And the best part? Timex has made it super easy to swap out the strap with its built-in quick-release system. Talk about convenience. Now, let's talk numbers. The Timex 1976 Lexington Reissue is priced at a whopping $149, which is an absolute steal. For that price, you get a watch that's inspired by a classic, has a premium look and feel, and is built to last. It's like getting a piece of watchmaking history for a fraction of the cost of its luxury counterparts. In my opinion, what makes this watch truly special is its ability to bridge the gap between vintage and modern. It's a tribute to the past, but with a contemporary twist. And the fact that it's so affordable makes it accessible to a wider audience. It's like Timex is saying, hey, everyone should have the chance to wear a piece of watchmaking history. So, if you're a watch lover looking for something unique and affordable, the Timex 1976 Lexington Reissue is definitely worth checking out. It's a testament to the power of reinterpretation and a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are the ones that pay homage to the past while looking towards the future. What do you think? Is this watch a must-have for your collection? Let me know in the comments below.